Is your iPhone stuck on a plain white screen and not responding? Don't panic, here's a quick step-by-step fix that often works. Start by performing a force restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then do the same with the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it for about 15 seconds, even if the screen stays white or turns black temporarily. Eventually, the Apple logo should appear. As soon as it does, release the side button. Your iPhone will reboot and in most cases return to normal. Once it starts back up, you should have full access to your apps, data, and settings just like before. This force restart method fixes most software crashes that cause the white screen error. If your iPhone still doesn't boot, it might require a deeper restore via iTunes or Finder. If this helped bring your iPhone back to life, hit like, leave a comment if you still have issues, and subscribe for more Apple troubleshooting tips.